Hello there, welcome back to Wireless Solutions, where tech tips are simple and fun. In this video, I will show you how to change app permissions on your Android phone in just 3 easy steps, so you can control what your apps can access. But before that, here's a quick recap. Step number 1, open App Settings. Step 2, go to Permissions. Step number 3, change permissions. Let us jump right in. At step number 1, open App Settings. Open the Settings app. Tap Apps. Select the app you want to manage. Step number 2, go to Permissions. Tap Permissions. You will see what access the app currently has. Step number 3, change permissions. Tap any permission, like camera, location, or microphone. Choose allow or deny depending on your preference. You now have full control over your app permissions. And that's it. Now you know how to manage app permissions and protect your privacy. And hey, for disclaimer purposes only, this video by Wireless Solutions is made for educational and informational purposes only. All steps and settings shown are safe and publicly available features of Android and its apps. Result may vary depending on your device model and software version. Always proceed carefully and make changes at your own discretion. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please do like, share, and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more quick tech tips. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.